Imagine you're sitting on a pile of cash. It's a beautiful, crisp mountain of money, just waiting to be deposited. But what if you're a Tide account holder? Can you simply toss this cash into your Tide account like you would a traditional bank? Section 1. Understanding Tide. Tide is a modern banking platform that offers a range of financial services, including business current accounts. It's designed to make banking easier and more accessible for small businesses and entrepreneurs. But when it comes to depositing cash, does Tide offer the same convenience as traditional banks? Section 2. The Cash Dilemma. Traditional banks often have ATMs and branches where you can easily deposit cash. But Tide, being a digital-first bank, doesn't have a physical presence. So, how do you deposit cash into your Tide account? Section 3. Exploring the options. There are a few ways to deposit cash into your Tide account. Cash deposit machines, CDMs. Tide has partnered with various banks to provide CDMs where you can deposit cash. Look for CDMs with the Tide logo or that accept deposits from Tide accounts. Simply follow the instructions on the machine to deposit your cash. Partner banks. Tide has relationships with certain banks. You can deposit cash into your Tide account by making a deposit at one of these partner banks. Check with Tide to find out which banks are partners and the specific procedures for making deposits. Check deposits. If you have a check, you can deposit it into your Tide account using the mobile app. Take a photo of the front and back of the check and follow the in-app instructions. Section 4. Fees and limitations. While these methods offer convenience, it's important to be aware of any fees or limitations associated with cash deposits. Fees. Some banks or CDMs may charge fees for cash deposits. Check with Tide or the specific bank for details. Limits. There may be limits on the amount of cash you can deposit at once. Tide may have specific guidelines regarding cash deposit limits. Section 5. Security considerations. Security is a top priority when dealing with cash deposits. Here are some things to keep in mind. Count your cash. Always count your cash before depositing it to ensure accuracy. Check receipts. Verify the deposit amount on the receipt to avoid errors. Monitor your account. Regularly check your Tide account to ensure that the deposit has been processed correctly. So, can you put cash into a Tide account? Yes, you can. While it may not be as straightforward as visiting a traditional bank, Tide offers convenient options like CDMs and partner banks. Just be sure to familiarize yourself with any fees or limitations and prioritize security when making cash deposits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your cash safe and your banking simple.